Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss two very important non-linear filter. Those are max filter and min filter. What is that? From the name itself we can clearly understand. In case of max filter, what we do, suppose we have 3 cross 3 neighbors, then whatever maximum value we will be getting in that neighborhood, we will place that value in our output. Okay, in case of min filter, whatever minimum value we will be getting for pixel intensity in our 3 cross 3 neighbor, we will place that in our output. Okay, that's all. Now what is the possible application? If you consider salt and pepper noise, I have already discussed while discussing the application of median filter. Okay, just recall what is salt noise. Salt noise is nothing but white pixels, that is 255 value. So if you apply min filter, you can easily remove salt noise, okay, because those high values can be removed, because it is not possible to have higher pixel intensity than 255, right? So if we apply min filter, there is a huge probability that your salt noise will be removed. Similarly, in reverse way, we can remove the paper noise using max filter. Okay, why? Because papers are basically black pixels, okay, black noisy pixels, and when you are taking maximum, as the black pixels have minimum intensity, then there is a huge probability that your black pixels will not be coming in your output if you are using max filter, right? So these are the applications. Now let us check how we can implement the same in MATLAB. For this particular demonstration purpose, I have taken one very popular image of cameraman.tif present in MATLAB database itself. Then, first of all, I will be showing you the application of our min filter. Okay, so what I have done, I have added some salt noise in this. And how I have added? First of all, I have taken one matrix of random number of same size as of my input, okay, random size of k. Then in that matrix, if suppose any value is greater than 0.95, I have taken randomly, you can take 0.85 or anything according to your choice. If we are finding that in that particular index in our original image, we will place 255. So as a result, one salty salt noise corrupted image will be generated. I am so k. And then we are writing our own code using our algorithm of min filter to get the output. We are first calculating the size, and then we are creating one zero matrix of same size, and then we are traversing starting from second row to the second last row, from second column to the second last column, and we are taking 3 cross 3 neighbor, and we are calculating the mean, and we are putting that in the output and showing that output by converting that to unsigned integer 8-bit representation. If you don't do this typecasting, your output will be by default in case of double, okay, and in double data type your whole image will come as complete white, because any value greater than 1 in double data type will be considered as white. Okay, so don't forget to do this type of type conversion. Okay, now if you check our image, how beautifully filtered image we are getting. See, this is our input image, this is our image corrupted by salt noise, and here using min filter we are able to remove the salt noise. Now let us just use the same concept for max filter. See how I am modifying. Instead of min, I am writing max, and now we need to corrupt our signal with paper noise. So we will place a 0. Suppose the value is less than 0.05, okay, less than, okay, that's all modification. So if our this particular random matrix any particular value goes less than 0.05, okay, in that case what will happen, we will place there 0. Okay, so I can take little bit higher value, let me take 0.1, control A and evaluate selection. Okay, see how beautifully again our code is able to remove all the paper noise. As I have told you, max filter works perfectly fine for paper noise, and you can see this is our input image, this is our paper corrupted image, noisy image, and this is what we are getting after filtering through max filter. Okay, so these are some application areas of nonlinear filtering. Both the codes will be posted in the description box. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.